2020 has been tough. It was the most challenging battleground for marketers. A lot of experiments came out. I think marketers have come out more stronger now. That has been the year. Hi everyone, my name is Tanishq Juneja. I am Global Product Marketing Head at Netcode. People also call me the email guy. 2020, the learnings were immense. What is going to be in 2021? So let's talk about some non-obvious email marketing trends for 2021. First, old school email marketing will not work anymore. If you're doing basic personalization or demographic segmentation and you have some smart email tools, that still you're scratching the surface. Let me give you an example. I have a friend in Canada. He received a Thanksgiving email on 26th of November, while they celebrate Thanksgiving on 12th of October. You can get the difference, right? That's not the kind of experience you want to give to your users. Second, know your customer. Know them really, really well. Use tech, use strategy, use a combination. When your user subscribes, you have zero information about them. You have, or maybe little information about them. That's absolutely the right time to invest in knowing more about them. Imagine if you know their needs, desires, what motivates them. You can be more empathetic to them. You can do a lot more personalization to them. Third, email marketing is being used for building brand equity and a great customer experience. One of the significant transition in 2020 has been the shift from conversions to conversations. Marketers are being more empathetic. They care less about transactions and more about empathy, more about emotions. They are using enhanced storytelling to build brand equity. The belief is ROI or revenue will be an outcome. Fourth, and one of the most important trend is how AI will impact deliverability and elevate customer experience. AI is going to impact three areas: content optimization, delivery optimization, and data optimization. There is a feature, predictive engagement, which has helped many brands to improve their open rates by 30%. Now that is what I'm talking about. AI will make things smarter at scale, and they are not going to replace humans. In fact, it will help you to make decisions faster and at scale. The next important trend for 2021 is adoption of AMP. AMP was launched last year. If you're not aware what AMP is, it basically makes your emails more interactive. Imagine your email could behave like a web page where a user does not have to go and visit the website. They can complete a lot of actionables on the email itself. The adoption of AMP has been a little tough because of the kind of complexities involved in creating an AMP enabled HTML. But there are tools which are introduced with which you can launch AMP emails far easier, and hence we feel that marketers will adopt it at higher scale in 2021. Summing up, these were some interesting trends. We have more trends which we have spoken about in our detailed blog. The link of the blog is in the description below. You can check out the blog. It has a lot of examples, bonus trends, and some growth hacks which you can implement and make your email marketing smarter in 2021. In case you think we have missed out on any significant trend, please put that trend in the comment section below. We would love to learn about it. Thank you, and a very happy, healthy and safe New Year and 2021 to you. See you soon.